In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use status change automation on Monday.com. We're going to walk through how to set up a simple but very powerful automation that reacts when the status of an item changes and then automatically updates a date for you. This is great for things like setting a completion date when a task is marked done, or starting a timeline when a status moves to in progress. First, open your Monday.com account and go to the specific project or board where you want this automation to live. Make sure this is the board that actually has the items and status column you're working with, because automations are created per board, not globally. Once your board is open, look towards the top of the screen for the Automate button. Go ahead and click on Automate. This will open the automation center for that board. From here, you'll see options for existing recipes and custom automations. Next, click on Create Automation. This lets you build your own rule instead of choosing one of the pre-made templates. You'll see a structure that reads something like, when this happens, then do this. We'll configure both parts. Let's start with the trigger. Click on the part that says, when this happens. From the list of triggers, choose the option that says, status changes to something. This tells Monday.com that the automation should run whenever a status moves from one value to another. You'll see the word something highlighted. Click on that. Before you can choose the exact status value, you need to tell Monday.com which status column you're talking about. Click on Select a status column first. A list of your board's status columns will appear. Choose the one simply labeled Status, or whichever status column you're using to track the phase of your work. After selecting the column, click on Status again if prompted, and then click on the word Something to choose the specific status value that will trigger the automation, like Done or In Progress. Once you've picked the value, confirm by clicking Done. Now move to the action side of the rule. Click on Then Do This. From the list of available actions, choose Set Date. This lets you automatically set or update a date column when the status change occurs. Configure which date column you want to update and how it should behave. Finally, when everything looks correct, click on Create Automation to save it. From now on, whenever the status changes to the value you selected, Monday.com will automatically set the date for you, keeping your board accurate and up to date with no extra manual work.